Hello everybody, in this video we would like to find out whether the screen on this Xiaomi Redmi Pad has a Gorilla Glass protection. So in order to check it, we'll visit our very own website, that is the HardReset.Info. So in here I'll enter the Xiaomi Redmi Pad query, go for the device itself, read more, and underneath the display, if the screen on this device were to have any kind of protection, it would be pointed out. Otherwise, as you can see, unfortunately it does not have a Gorilla Glass protection. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.